Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to tackle a common issue: how to fix battery drain on iOS 18.2. Let's dive right in. Let me make it clear that battery drain is caused by the certain update and we cannot fix it completely, but I will walk you through some workarounds to increase the battery life. First, head over to Settings. Then scroll down and navigate to Privacy and Security. From there, tap on Location Services. If it's turned on, it could be one of the main reasons your battery is draining quickly. You have two options: either turn it off completely if you're not using it, or limit access to specific apps. For instance, you can set permissions for each app to never or while using the app based on your preference. Customizing these settings can significantly reduce battery usage. Also, scroll to the bottom and tap on System Services. Here, disable unnecessary permissions, keeping only essential ones like Find My iPhone enabled. Next, go back and navigate to Display and Brightness, and turn off the Always On Display feature. This setting can heavily impact battery life if left on. Additionally, adjust auto lock to a shorter duration, such as 30 seconds or 1 minute instead of never. This ensures your screen doesn't stay on unnecessarily, conserving battery. Now go back and navigate to General and tap on Background App Refresh. You can turn this feature off entirely. Some people worry that turning it off will stop notifications from apps like WhatsApp, but rest assured you'll still receive all your notifications or WhatsApp calls without this feature enabled. Finally, consider your network usage. Whenever Wi-Fi is available, use it instead of mobile data, as Wi-Fi consumes less battery. Avoid keeping both Wi-Fi and cellular data on simultaneously when one isn't in use. These tips should help you manage your battery more efficiently on iOS 18.2. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.